Hey y'all, my name is Jessie Ruth, but you can call me Rue. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an exciting tutorial. I got the Jeffree Star mystery box, the premium one. I got the Jeffree Star ultimate box. I also got the premium, but that one is not here. But I wanted to go ahead and film a video showing you what I got and doing a little tutorial with it, because I figured this is kind of a challenge for me because I got some things that I would not normally get, but I'm really excited about it because why not accept a challenge? So first off, I got a black t-shirt, one of the embroidered ones, and I already wore it and it's in the dirty clothes. So I got that. It needs to be washed. Then I got a Skin Frost in Regina George. I got another Skin Frost in Dark Horse. Got a liquid lip in Watermelon Soda. I got 2 lip ammunitions, Allegedly and Jeffree's Girl. Allegedly looks like this, and Jeffree's Girl looks like this. It's really pretty. And then I got 2 more liquid lips, but I'm not opening them because I already have these 2 and I'm going to give them to my friend for Christmas. And they are in Baby Daddy and Delicious. And I got a lip ammunition in Fudge Pop, which is going to be our star of the show today because I have a really good idea. I think I'm excited to try it. So first off, I already have my base, and I figured I'm going to do something with my eyes with these products as well as something with my cheeks. So I do not have my blush or highlight on. I have I have bronzer on, my foundation, my brows, all that jazz. So first, I want to do blush and highlight. So right now I'm going to go into the Kylie Winter Collection blush. This blush is my favorite ever. It's so beautiful. It's nice and light because I don't like much blush. I just like a little touch of color. And we're going to take our highlight. This is also a Kylie highlight in Snow Angel. I want to start with a different highlight than the ones that I got because I'm going to use Regina George to blend the highlight and the blush. I'm just going to put highlight on my cheeks right here. Now we're going to take Regina George, and Regina George is a very pink highlight. Wow, that's the color of the packaging. But I found it's kind of light, so when you swatch it, it's just very light. So I was thinking it could combine the blush and the highlight together. And I don't know if this is what it was intended to do. Take it, tap off, and I'm going to swirl it in between the blush and the highlight. Just to bring a little extra glow, but also a little extra rosiness. Ooh, I really love that. That's really pretty. That's gorgeous. See how it just gives you this nice shine. It looks nice and glowy. It's not super glittery. So that's the face. Now let's go into the eyes. We're going to use the James Charles palette. I already bronzed my eyes with the Painterly Paint Pot, and today I was thinking we could do a coppery, bronzy, smoky eye and put this on the lid because these are eye safe. Not every liquid lip is eye safe, but this one is. So we're going to put that as our shimmer color. So first we gotta lay down that base. I'm going to take a JH33 brush and go into, I also glued the names up here so that I have to lose the names, but I could also not have to go up and down. So first I'm going to dip into Rusted right here. And we are going to go into our crease with that shade. I'm focusing this above my crease because I have a hooded eye, so I like to focus my color above where like the normal crease is so then you can see it. I'm just winging it out slightly. So I'm going to bring that color down here as well and then blend it up. After that, I'm going to go into Boutique right here. This nice brown shade. Tap that off. And put that right below that color, like actually in my crease. So that's going to go into my natural crease. So a lot of people were mad at Jeffree for these mystery boxes because they didn't like how they got the same thing as other people and the shipping took forever. But honestly, I don't care that we got the same thing as other people. Like, why should that matter? Like, if we didn't have social media, you would have never known, and you got great products at a great price. Like, why though? I don't know. I mean, yes, I would not have gotten these products normally, but if I wanted something, I would have just bought it and not paid for a box that I was like not sure if I would get it. I mean, why take the chance with your money if you really wanted like an eyeshadow palette? The eyeshadow palettes were cheaper than the boxes. It's like, why not buy the palette? I don't know. It didn't make sense to me at all. After that color, we are going to take Code James, this color right here, swirl it around and put that and blend everything out. This is a lighter color, so it's going to kind of bring those two colors together and blend everything seamlessly. So I want to put some color right here on my corner because I think I'm just going to put the liquid lip right here. So we're going to take Benny, and take Benny right here, this kind of dark brown shade. I love the name of this shade because he named him after his dog, and that's just so cute. So this is a JH37. It's a packer brush, so I'm just going to pack that shade on. I don't want to bring it out too much. I just want to pack that on the outside of the lid, like that. Now those two colors are placed, let's take this liquid lip. We're gonna try it. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest, but it'll be okay. Let's do this. So we're gonna take the liquid lip, and again, these are eye safe, so I'm not just putting any liquid lip on my eye. I don't normally do this, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to paint the spots that do not have eyeshadow. Oh my goodness, guys. This is so pretty. I love this. It's so pretty. This is great. It's so easy. Okay, other. Alright, guys. I'm loving this. So I'm actually going to take some Dark Horse and put it over top just to give it a little bit more shine. I'm just going to put it in the middle part to bring some light to the eyes. Gonna tap that on. So I just tapped on Dark Horse right here and right here. And then I'm going to take that packer brush that we used for the black. There's no more shadow on it, as you can see. And I'm going to just shade, make sure everything's all blended. Ooh, I'm so excited. Now for the lower lash line, I'm actually going to take JH35, which is a little bit smaller blending brush. I'm going to take Dark Horse and put that under the lash line to give it a nice glow. I don't like my lash line to be super dark. To brighten up our inner corner, we're going to take Ring Light, the highlight shade, and put that in the inner corner and above the brow bone. For the lips, so like I said, I already have these two colors. I love these two colors, but I'm not going to use these two colors today because my friend is getting them. Watermelon Soda would be a little bit too pink for this. I do like this color. I'll swatch it for you. I love that this is scented. I like scented things. I know a lot of people don't, but I love that this one smells like watermelon. It just creates like a summertime memory. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put Allegedly on, and then put a little bit of Jeffree's Girl in the middle. Yeah, we'll see how this looks. Alright, so Allegedly. Also, I have never tried this formula. I've always gotten liquid lips before, but this is amazing. Like, why have I never gotten some of these before? I don't know if I like that in the middle. I do like Jeffree's Girl, but it's more of like a summertime color. I think I'm going to take Dark Horse and put it over. The middle. There we go. I didn't put on mascara. I'll be right back. That was almost really bad. That would have been so awkward. Alright, now the look is done. So I really love this mystery box. I really love the opportunity to use this mystery box and get it. I know it sold out really fast, but I hope they do it in the future. However, judging by everybody's tweets and anger, I would be very surprised if they did it in the future because people have to ruin it, but I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the challenge. I enjoy trying new things that I never would have tried. Honestly, I never would have bought Regina George in my life, but I really love the nice glow that it gives. It's like it's really pretty. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and wonderful holidays, and I'll see you next time.